I don't like the woo-woo of manifestation videos, so today we're doing something different. Hi, I'm a clinical psychologist. I am a clinical psychologist, and this is our channel where we bring you all the psychology you need to live a better life. Today's video is part of our series on manifesting and attracting what you want into your life. If you're new here, please subscribe so you get notified when new videos come out. So I don't like the woo-woo of manifestation videos. There are some things about them that feel kind of wishy-washy, and they make me uncomfortable because I have a master's degree in clinical psychology, and I've always been pretty skeptical of anything that seems too good to be true or has any hint of being a magical thinking type of concept. I mean, I am a skeptic at heart. For many people, manifestation videos and ideas just scratch that surface. It feels like anything goes. Just think happy thoughts, and whatever you want will come to you. What does that even mean? Why should I believe that thinking happy thoughts is going to help me get what I want in my career, relationships, and life? Well, there is more to manifestation than meets the eye. After having studied positive psychology and researched the science of attraction and success, I'm starting to understand it a little bit better. It turns out that there are basic psychological principles behind the idea of manifestation and attraction, and once you know how it works, you can apply these principles to your own life in a grounded, practical way without all the fluff. See? The idea of manifestation is simple. We attract what we think about. But the truth is, most people don't realize they already use this principle every day. They just don't realize that's what they're doing. Because everything we do is based on our expectations. For example, if we expect to fail, we won't take risks. We won't step out of our comfort zone. And as a result, we limit ourselves and don't go after the things we want. On the other hand, if we have a positive mindset and expect to succeed, we'll be more likely to take risks and put ourselves out there, and as a result, we'll be more likely to get what we want. Our expectations shape our behavior, which in turn affects our outcome. This is a well-established finding in social psychology. Our expectations and beliefs about the world influence how we act and ultimately what we experience. The power of expectation is evident in many areas of our lives. For instance, studies show that if you have an anxious attachment style and you expect your romantic partners to let you down, you're more likely to experience relationship problems. Why? Because your expectations become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your partner may not have the intention to hurt you, but because you expect them to let you down, you start acting in ways that make them do exactly that. You might become clingy and needy, which can be a turnoff for your partner. Or you might pull away and shut down, which also puts a strain on the relationship. But if you have a secure attachment style and expect your partner to be there for you, you'll act in ways that make that more likely to happen. You'll be more open and vulnerable with them, which will foster closeness and trust. And that will make them want to invest more in the relationship. Your expectations become a self-fulfilling prophecy that creates the reality you believe to be true. Okay, so now that we've established that we create our own reality based on our beliefs and expectations, how can we use this knowledge to manifest our dream life? The first step to manifesting your dream life is getting clear on what you actually want. Too often people go through life on autopilot, just going with the flow and seeing where it takes them. But if you want to manifest something specific, you need to be intentional about it. Take the time to really get clear on what you want in your career, relationships, and personal life. What does your ideal day look like? What does success look like? Do you have a clear vision of what you want? It's time to focus on it. This doesn't mean that you should ignore everything else in your life, but you should prioritize what's important to you and make time for it. This could mean setting aside time each day to work on your side hustle or to plan for your future. Or it could mean making time for the things that are important to you, like spending time with loved ones or taking care of yourself. When you focus on what you want, you send a signal to the universe that you're serious about it. You're not just wishing for it, you're actively working towards it. That makes it much more likely that you'll actually manifest it. For example, let's say you want to find your dream job. Instead of just putting in applications to any old job that comes your way, take some time to really hone in on what you want. What kind of work environment do you want to be in? What kind of people do you want to work with? Once you have a clear vision of your ideal workplace, start focusing on it. Start networking with people in your field and let them know that you're looking for a new job. Start applying only to jobs that are a good fit for what you're looking for. By focusing on your ideal job, you'll be much more likely to find it. When you're focused on what you want, you're more likely to take the actions necessary to achieve it. For example, let's say you want to manifest a new romantic relationship. Instead of just hoping that someone will come along, start taking action towards meeting new people. Go out with friends, join a club or group, or start dating. When you take action towards your goals, you're more likely to achieve them. Action is what makes manifestation happen. It's easy to just sit around and wish for what you want, but if you really want to manifest it, you need to take action. Action is what brings your dreams to reality. Here's an example. Let's say you want to manifest financial abundance. Instead of just sitting around and worrying about money, take action towards creating more of it. Start by setting a clear financial goal. How much money do you want to earn? Once you have a goal in mind, start taking steps towards achieving it. This could mean investing in yourself by learning new skills or taking on a side hustle. It could also mean investing in others by starting a business or investing in real estate. Whatever you do, just take action towards your goal and don't give up. Remember, action is what brings your dreams to reality. Okay, so the third step is to be patient and persistent. Manifestation doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and persistence to manifest your dream life. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep believing in yourself and your goals and keep taking action towards them. Even if it takes some time, the results will be worth it. Take a moment and reflect on a time when you had a goal and didn't give up even when things got tough. What was that goal and how did you achieve it? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience can inspire others who are struggling to manifest their dreams. To summarize, the idea of manifestation is simple. We attract what we think about. But the truth is, most people don't realize they already use this principle every day. They just don't realize that's what they're doing. Everything we do is based on our expectations. For example, if we expect to fail, we won't take risks, and we won't go after the things we want. But if we have a positive mindset and expect to succeed, we'll be more likely to take risks and put ourselves out there. Our expectations shape our behavior, which affects our outcome. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like another one we did on how to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Leave a link to it below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.